Most good programmers do programming not because they expect to get paid or get recognition from the public, because it is fun to program. So hey guys, this is Dheeraj Mishra and welcome back to next session, which is the third video of this special C programming series. In this video, I have a list of the different topics we will be discussing throughout the course, which I will be going to describe in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so after the installation and configuration of VS Code, a very good setup for coding environment, we will first understand the number system. This number system will include binary number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system, and many other, and their conversions from one number system to another number system. So we will understand how to convert the number systems. So in the next topic, we will learn basic structure of C. What does it mean? It means we are writing the code in human readable language, right? In a very high level language, and but computer is understanding it in 0 and 1. How it is done, how the compilation process is done, how our code get converted into binary number system, right? And computer is understanding that. So next topic is basic syntax of C. So here you may be seeing a block of code. This code has different parts, right? And each part has an important role. So we will learn how these all parts working or what is their use in our program and all the things about these syntaxes, right? Then another topic will be variables and data types in C. So there are many data types and their use, their size are different. Then the next topic comes operators in C. So there are many bitwise operators, modulus operators, many more operators we will study in the topic operators in C, right? After that, there is C format specifiers and escape sequence. So you may have noticed \n or beep sound while running the code and other many hacks, tab space and many hacks. Then comes here the many controls and decision making statements that may include if-else statements. So in if-else statements, we will be learning if-else ladder, if-else if, and many types of insert statements, right? Then another is switch case, right? And then we will be learning loops. So loop is a vast topic. In loops we will be learning three topics: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Although these all loops work the same, but there are different purpose of using these all loops in different conditions, right? So we will discuss their uses and everything about these all types of loops. Then we will be learning break and continue statements. These are control statements. It controls the piece of code. Then there comes typecasting. So typecasting means conversion of one data type into another data type, right? So we will also learn and practice this. And then here comes arrays. So we will learn array is a vast topic and many more topics are to be discussed under arrays. So there are one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays, right? So in one-dimensional arrays we are studying strings, read about arrays, strings, 2D arrays, and many more. Then here comes pointers. So many students, or I have listened, many of my friends feel pointers are difficult topic. So we will sort out that problems and learn many. So we will discuss pointers in brief and explain it, how it is working and everything about pointers, right? Then there comes a function. So in function topics, function is different type. So basically we will learn call by value and call by difference, two types of functions, right? We will go through the exercises and practice many more things in these functions. Then here comes recursion. We will also study about recursion, right? Then storage classes, and we will be learning structure, unions, enums, etc. In structure we have also many things: structure and pointers, structure and arrays, type def, and many more things comes from the structure. So we will also study under structure, enums and unions, these all things. And finally we will be learning file handling, right? So we will be learning file handling in full dedicated manner, right? File handling will be there, and after that there will be debugging errors and video on errors and debugging process and many more. So this all is the overview of this total playlist, and many more topics may be added at the end. Remember that after the end of each topic we will be given assignments, right, in a PDF format and notes for the all topics and many more. So this is all for this video. So make sure that you save this playlist and subscribe to the channel. So I believe you will have a happy journey along through this course. So meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.